Okay, before we begin this video, please hit the subscribe button right now because that's how it works. It's Omnitech. Now let's jump in the video. Okay, so this is a fun new AI that I'm kind of excited to take a look. It's supposed to geolocate pictures via AI. I suspect it's kind of a TinEye picture search with maybe a little bit sparkly sprinkles around it, but we're gonna test it with some, of course, random stock footage, stock images. Obviously, if it can get where they are. First, let me go with a very simple one. This one is a guy in New York. Let me open it before I put it on the AI thingy. This one, just New York City, Manhattan skyline background. Easy. You don't really need AI or GeoSpy to tell you that, but let's see if AI does it. Okay, we are going to wait, and okay, it was done faster than I thought. Okay, country, United States. State, New York City. Makes sense. Well, he's kind of Brooklyn. Yeah, it's still New York City. Never mind. Okay, so we're good. It can do that, and yeah, it actually found the image itself, the one we entered. Okay, good. Let me go to the next one. This one is a little bit trickier. It's still a regular stock image, by the way, but this one doesn't really have any landscapes to say anything, except it has the picture name as Mad Miami for some reason. Let me open it and let's see what it says. Will it read the name? Error. Yay, we start with errors. Okay, refresh the page and we try it again. Error. Okay, so that did not go very well. Now, let's do some Google Maps. That is gonna be, for example, this one is in Burgafjällen, Sweden. Okay, so now let me just snip and sketch really quick. Boom. I'm going just to cut this. So it should have this here as a landmark to go with. But we're gonna see that. Let me save it quick. Okay, it is now saved. And let's go to the AI and drop this picture we just took from our lovely Google Maps and see what it does. Because, you know, it's easy to tell me where small things are. Oh, now it says, well, it's state. It's kind of verboten, but not really. And I don't know why it's getting it from Mapbox. It's not exactly there. This is in Nigeria, by the way. This is not even Sweden. Sweden is up here. Okay, so you kind of missed the mark here. You missed the mark, but I'll forgive you for that. We're gonna take a different picture really quick, and we're gonna be still in Sweden. We're literally just gonna go around here and do this one right here. I do not expect it to actually know anything, so yeah, I might be a little bit too rough on it, but since it said AI spy stuff, well, I'm gonna replace the older one because I don't intend to keep them. Okay, so now let's refresh the page on GeoSpy and let's go get the new picture now and see what it does. Probably it's gonna say Sweden again, but I don't know. State, Norway? No, we are not in Norway at all. We are in Sweden. Let me just pull here. That's where we are actually. In Sweden, as you see right here. So, yeah. Not far, but not close because it says the image is likely taken in Norway due to the architecture of the house and the landscape. The house is made of wood and has a red roof, which is a common style in Norway. Kind of true. The landscape is also very similar to Norway with its many forests and mountains. Kind of. I don't see the red roof. Am I did it say red roof here? Which is Norway. The house has a red roof. How? Where? There's a red roof. Seriously. Okay, let's give it something more, something easier. Let's go to the good old USA. I don't know. Let's go to North Carolina and just do a random drop, I guess, right here. Let me drop this guy right here. Okay, good. This looks perfect. It's gonna say United States for sure, but let's see now. New. Okay, right here. Save it so we can try it. Okay. That is our new picture. And let's see what it says. Yeah, it says Google, so AI should know Google. I intentionally left Google there to see if it's gonna detect that's a Google image or if it's gonna say it's somewhere in New York again, even though the kind of suburban setting is similar throughout America, so it's not really United States, North Carolina. No way. Yeah, it's in Holly Springs, North Carolina. The photo street tells North Carolina street is lined with houses and there is a field. The background houses are mostly made of brick and have a variety of architectural styles. The field is large and has a few trees. Estimated coordinates, I don't need those. That is actually good. That was good. Now let's get out of here and give it something quite difficult, because that will be right on the board, right here. If the map, Google Maps have ever gone here, looks like right there. But we're gonna be looking at Mexico. That's a tricky one, AI. There's nothing to really identify here. So unless AI, or this AI, has a repository of the Google Maps pictures, so it can look through there really quick. Now that would be something, but besides that, this will be another picture we're gonna try really quick before we jump to something really fun, because I want to test it with AI. I want to generate a picture or two with AI and see what it does. City, Nea Paramos, Greece. You are quite far from there, buddy. You are quite far from Nea Paramos, whatever. Greece? No. We're not even close. Anyway, definitely can get things wrong, and yes, you can trick the AI. But now, let's fire up the other AI really quick, right here, Copilot, and let's ask Copilot to do something for us. Create a realistic picture of a person walking in Manhattan. I did not say which Manhattan. There's 3 or 4 Manhattans in the United States, by the way. If you didn't know that, go fire up Google. It will tell you the same. Manhattan, New York is not the only one. And now we have ads. Of course, they implemented ads in case you didn't know. We have ads now on AI. That was coming, of course. They're not that bad, so I don't mind them. As long as I can get the service and they can get paid, doesn't bother me. This is not very realistic though. This is too easy. I can tell it's New York without actually looking too much. Recreate the same prompt, but Albany, New York. If it can. Okay, Okay, this is clearly not Albany, this one right here, because I see Empire State, but anyway, let me get this one right here. Okay, so with a dragon, there's some city from Harry Potter. Okay, that's fair enough, Okay, let's drop one of the pictures, the one we made, and then I'm gonna drop another one that has no base in reality, but it will find us probably some Wells Fargo bank with the next one. Okay, this is anything but human. So, United States, New York, Buffalo, not far. That's not far. I gotta say, I give it that. It recognized this building right here. I know that for sure. And yeah, it's not bad, but no, it's not that. Okay, so now let me get another one that's not reality. And this is the Omnitech offices. Yeah, the Omnitech building, totally. This totally exists. It's 1,000,000% legit, not AI at all. Yeah, that's guys, you didn't know. I have my own big buildings. And United States, Texas. The photo was taken on the street looking up at the building. There are a few things that indicate that this photo was taken in Houston. First, the architecture of the building is consistent with other buildings in Houston. Second, the vegetation in the photo is consistent. Where's the vegetation? Like this green blimp here? Vegetation? Seriously? The vegetation in the photo is consistent with the vegetation found in Houston. Finally, the landscape in the photo is consistent with the landscape found in Houston. What are the references? Edmonton? Group? No. I don't know. Now, if you have pictures that are very easy to detect and you can probably with eyes closed tell where that picture was taken, I think this can do the same. It's just what I thought. It's kind of crawling through Google Pictures and TinEye and trying to make kind of connections with anything that resembles something. It's not bad. I cannot say it's bad. Because right now, the version is 0.1.4, and I know they're gonna come up with better versions and updates. So far, it's okay. I would say it's okay, and it's fun to play around. If you wanna check it yourself, I will leave a link in the description below, and please hit that subscribe button.